Hello, a very good day to all traders and viewers. My name is Rain. I'm the founder of Forex Hundred Academy Private Limited. Today events, we are the preferred education provider of Alp Social. Alp Social is a leading online forums for traders and investors to interact. So hail on and follow our page as well. So you will get to have this notification when we post anything else. And today live session, in near future we may even only have the first 5 minutes free on Facebook and the rest will be posted on our social. Alright, so head over and get a account there, and I'll see you there. Interact with us at that platform as well. So let us get into business in doing our analysis. So just right before I start, do scan the QR code at the bottom over here to receive your weekly market analysis. Like it, share one thing that you love about today's analysis, much appreciated. So let us head to euro dollar on the daily chart. We can see that it's a very bearish move. A new low has been created, then a retest back into the resistance. So for trend traders, opportunity to sell, head down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, the market came back up into the consolidation zone. Head down to 1-hour chart. Over here, this is what we have. It seems very bullish on the 1-hour chart, but if you're like us, a multi-trend traders, then you might be seeing it differently. So feel free to post in any questions and stuff like that while I'm doing the analysis. I'll get back to you very shortly. So let us go through our analysis on euro dollar. Euro dollar on the daily chart is a downtrend channel. Yes, head down to 4-hour chart. There is a consolidation over here. Market has just broken. So on the 1-hour chart, for traders who are looking for the bad pattern, this is it. This is the one I'm looking at. So when the market completes at this price, it does have a bit of this double top over here and RSI divergence. Thought is a great trading opportunity. I've engaged a trade. Let's see how this trade roll up. Alright, so it's either head down, hit my target profit, or hit my stops. Alright, so that's why by having a healthy reward to risk, a 2-1 ratio is very important. So let's say if there's a change of event, change of market movement, you will still be profitable. Alright, so that's all I have for euro dollar. Hi, welcome. So feel free to type in your name, how many years have been trading Forex, and what other strategies you are using. So let us head down to pound dollar. On the pound dollar on the daily chart, we can see that market has a uptrend movement, followed by the first sign of the clue that the market did not break above and close above the high. Then we have a series of low price, and of course the third confirmation come in when there's a break and close below the support level. So right now on pound dollar, I'm looking for shorting opportunity. This is on the 4-hour chart. Head back in the consolidation zone, and let's take a look on 1 hour. Alright, consolidation and break off upwards. So share with you my analysis, still back to the same thing. There is a pennant or even a descending triangle, depends how you drew it. So waiting for market to retrace back to this zone while I wait for my shorting opportunity. So what are the areas I'm looking for this selling opportunity is this area over here. So I will just box it up over here. Okay, so this is the area that I'm looking for is selling opportunity. Pretty much if you are a harmonic pattern trader, meaning the 2 triangles you are looking at to trade, it is still too early, alright, to trade this. And if you read the way I'm reading it, if the market has retraced from here, then most likely this is a butterfly pattern. Alright, so head down to 1-hour chart, very bullish move. So a lot of waiting on my end, nothing much right now. Okay, so yep. Alright, so let's us head down to dollar yen. Dollar yen on the daily chart, we can see that market has the first high, then it did not break and close above the high price over here. Then it went into consolidation. Head down to 4-hour chart. This is what we have. 1 hour. Alright, a retest of the support. So for double bottom traders, your opportunity starts to appear after the market touches 111.27. So seems like the previous hour market is very bearish. So if there's no slowdown of it, then I'm not interested. However, if there is, very interesting RSI divergence over here, so take note. Back to daily chart. This is my analysis. On the daily chart, there's an inverted head and shoulder. I'm looking to buy all the way up to 113. Head down to 4-hour chart, where I have a harmonic Gartley pattern. Alright, the Gartley pattern will ends at 111 area, so it's a deep Gartley for this trade. So on the 4-hour chart, I can definitely wait for confirmation before engage the trade. Head down to 1 hour. If you are a double bottom trader, of course this is the area that I'm looking at. So personally, I am just waiting for this Gartley to form out. I already set an alert and wait up for this trade. Okay, so well, I'll be sharing this with my subscriber over here at this what you call the trade ideas. Okay, where we share the exact entry, stops and targets and the exact movement. Okay, you will see the replies and stuff like that. Okay, over here. Alright, so what we usually do is I'll do the notification over here by ticking and stating that trade engage. Okay, so let's see how it rolls up. So you can see trades like initial reach 22 pips, target 129 pips, target 257 pips. So in the long run, you'll know that these signals, or rather the trading ideas, will be very profitable for traders who follow closely. Alright, let us move down to the next currency, Euro Yen, moving a bit fast today. So if you have questions, do feel free to put them up, and I am glad to help you with that. Yeah, so feel free to do so. Okay, let us move down to Euro Yen. Euro Yen on the daily chart, market came down, retrace, consolidation is about the same story. So when there's consolidation, is a good alert for a harmonic pattern. Alright, so 1 hour chart, can see if there's any form out. Back to the daily chart, where I'll share with you my analysis. There is a bearish shark. Alright, and I'm in this trade. At one point I earned about 200 pips, but it's 200 over pips, but my take profit level, which I shared earlier on, is over here. So you can see this shark pattern is 267 pips, 124.05 is my take profit level. In fact, it's quite a shame, I'm just a few pips away and looking for the retest. Alright, so it was very close before the market reversed. Alright, so do comment down below if you face such situation. You see a initial candle, the market is a few pips away from touching your target. Will you choose to intervene and exit the trade, or you just wait for it to hit the either profits or wherever your stop loss is? Most likely your stop loss is at profit area of such a big move, meaning you say that lock some of the profit in. Do comment down below on that. Head down to 1 hour chart. This is what I have. Alright, on the 1 hour chart, we may even have a pattern, so let us have a quick look. From low to high, sorry, from high to low. Alright, we may have a Gartley over here, which gives me a great trading opportunity, a deep Gartley formation. X to A to B. Alright, so this is a sketch. The actual one I'll be posting to my subscriber. Okay, it should complete somewhere over here. Okay, change it, and we'll be waiting. This is Euro Yen. I'm waiting for a shorting opportunity. Very nice. It's back close to my sell zone. So I'll be making a bit of adjustment. 12540. Okay. They got Lee, and is a trend continuation based off the H1. Alright, great. Okay, so this is the trade I'm waiting for. To pound yen. On pound yen, market went up, then you go into consolidation. So one of the market movement, we can wait for the break, but this formation does suggest a selling opportunity because a series of lower high and support over here. Head down to the 4-hour chart. This is what I have. I see some patterns. Do you? Alright, so this is 1 hour. Back to the daily chart. On the daily chart, there is this consolidation over here after a bullish trend, and this is on the 4 hour. So let us have a look at this. Okay, so it still is a bad pattern. It's just that it has retraced at X area. For traders, if you like to wait for confirmation, definitely you can wait for it. So this is the pattern that has formed up. Bad pattern complete somewhere over here. Alright, so up next, what I'm going to do, I'll check the validity of this movement. Just nice, in a way that is valid. So personally, because it is still too steep for me, I'll wait some kind of confirmation. So meaning to say that I will not engage now. Alright, most likely at 9 PM I'll have a look, and perhaps tomorrow I will decide if I'm going to short this. Alright, so over here it might be a warning sign for me not to engage, although the candle look promising for a short, but for this trade I'll wait for a bit of confirmation. Alright, so head down to the 1 hour chart. Okay, great. This is what we have. Just a double check in. Yep. Okay, so very nice setup, a good consideration. So let me just jot down pound yen H4 back pattern. Great. Okay. Up next, we are going to New Zealand yen. New Zealand yen on the daily chart, market came down, then went up. The consolidation within this area. To the 4-hour chart, might have a harmonic pattern forming up soon. 1 hour chart. So if you do an analysis like this every day, you will be able to spot it as fast as I do. Alright, so this is the sell zone. Head down to 4 hour. The exact pattern I'm looking at, a bad pattern. Exact price, I basically forgot that I did this analysis already. So whichever alert that is no longer in use, delete it so it will not confuse you. Alright, so at this price, I will set a alert. And this is a 4 hour chart. New Zealand yen H4 bad pattern, and it's a trend continuation. Okay, Head down to 1 hour trade. Amendments for that, it looked more like a sideway. Alright, on the 1 hour chart, nothing much for me. Head down to the next pair. So guys, if you have any questions on trading related, please do remember to post it. If not, by the time I hit Pound Australia, I'll be ending the session right away. So you won't want to miss it, yeah, if you have any questions. Okay, so let us head to Australia dollar. Australia dollar have a downtrend movement, a pullback, then it went to consolidation. Head down to forward chart. Forward chart, it does have a downward movement and it go into consolidation. This kind of setup is suggest more towards a shorting opportunity than anything else because it's consolidation at this area. Market came down, consolidation, yeah. So head down to 1 hour chart. Okay, that's all I see. Back to the daily chart. Alright, down to the 4 hour chart. This was my sell zone based off the 1 hour time frame. So I am pretty much focused in a selling opportunity right now. So waiting for any setup for that. If not, it's fine. Let's head down to Australia CAD. To the Australia CAD on the daily chart, market went up, came down, consolidate, went up again. 4 hour. Very interesting movement. Alright, choppy but interesting. To the 1 hour. Okay, on the 1 hour chart, we can see that couple break of support level. Even over here, it broken again. So definitely can wait for a retracement back into this level to sell. To the daily chart, my analysis on the daily chart, a godly pattern on the daily chart, waiting for a buying opportunity at 9115. Let's see what happens here. So on the 4 hour chart, this is what I have. Very bearish movement because of a longer bearish candle. To the 1 hour chart, nothing much for me personally. Alright, so yep, so it's a basic support resistance trade if you are looking for a trading opportunity. So definitely this is a retracement. So your sell zone right now is pretty wide. This is your sell zone area if you are looking for a shorting opportunity. Alright, so you can label which one. Sell zone, right? Three more pairs to go. So should you have any questions, do put it in. Yeah. On the daily chart, Australia CAD. Is what we have just went through. Dollar CAD on the daily chart, we can see that there is a upwards movement followed by these head and shoulder bottom. Alright, completed, then it went to consolidation and went higher. Right now going to retracement. So what does the market trying to tell you? The market is trying to tell you that maybe it is time to go bullish. Alright, break off previous resistance at this price. 1 time, 2 time. Alright, over here break above and close above as well. So head down to 4 hour chart. This is what I have on the 4 hour chart. So basically at this area, I'm waiting for a retracement back into this zone for a buying opportunity. Head down to 1 hour. Nothing much for me. Back to the daily chart. While I share with you my analysis, you can see that there is a consistent to that. Alright, so buy zone, I'm looking for a buying opportunity over here. Head down to 4 hour chart. Alright, so I have further tightened the buy zone at this price. Okay, so this could be quite interesting. This was the buy zone I'm looking at. Yes, let us see if this is qualifying. It does. Okay, so over here, pretty tricky, but there is a pattern within. X to A to B, B to C, CD completion 88.6. Of course, exact target will be confirmed, or levels will be confirmed to my subscriber. Yep. To the 1 hour chart. Alright, nothing much on the 1 hour chart. So this is 4 hour bad pattern. Let's see how this trade goes. Yeah. If we form up too soon, then it is not valid. In a most likely scenario, this will be a valid trade. Let's see how it goes. Right click. CAD yen on the daily chart. Alright, market came down, went back up, retrace, consolidate to the 4 hour. Market retest, resistance, came down. Alright, so based off this on the 4 hour, you can look for a selling opportunity. To the 1 hour chart. Alright, this is what we have. Back to the daily chart. Very simple. This is over here a support. In short, there's nothing much for me. If you're looking for a buying opportunity, of course, if let's say there's a retracement back into the zone, you're looking for a buying opportunity, you can buy it up to this level. Okay, down to 1 hour. Alright. Last pair to go. So if you do not have any questions, I'll end today's session and I'll see you soon on the next video, on the next analysis. On the daily chart, on pound dollar, market came from bottom to high, came down, retracement. It does show on the daily chart there is a potential harmonic pattern forming up. It will still take some time, maybe about mid-May. Alright, so on the 4 hour chart, it looks something interesting as well. It's going to happen, and this is the 1 hour chart. So back to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis. This was the previous godly pattern. So the new pattern seems like is forming up. Let's take a look. Low to high. Alright, so it is possible a formation of a bad pattern coming up that looks something like this. X to A to B, BC, CD completion somewhere over here. Okay, so it is possible. So let's take a look, see how it goes. It does pretty much motivate me as a trader to relook into this godly pattern at this level. But this godly pattern over here, the godly, has already fulfilled the first target, so maybe not so much. Let's see how it goes here. I'll keep in view for this trade. Okay, to the 4 hour chart. So if you have any questions, feel free to bring that in. Yeah, so on the 4 hour chart, we do see something that is very interesting. Let me just do a double check. Low to high. Whoa, wow, it might be invalid. Let me just double check. Close. Nope, sorry, it's invalid. Alright, so the retracement wasn't deep enough to make this a godly, unfortunately. Alright, so nothing much on forward. Hit down the 1 hour chart, a retest of resistance. So if you are support resistant traders or double top traders, you may like to look into this. Low to high, okay, came down, went back up, short it all the way down. Alright, so double top opportunity with RSI divergence. How do you like that? Great opportunity over here on the 1 hour chart, so you can stay tuned at 7 p.m, 8 p.m, and just double check. Yeah, so that's all I have for you guys. And of course, if you are looking for any education training opportunity, you are in luck. This upcoming rather the next Thursday, we have a event running in Singapore. Is in fact our 3 hours workshop that will accompany with a ebook sent to you, so you can have some read up before attending the session. What you're going to expect, you get to learn, and of course you have an opportunity to be a trader, to trade at the comfort of home for a living. So apart from that, I would say that it does give you a lot of time to earn money without sticking in front of computer. And it's happening on Thursday. We'll talk about the importance of what is a important reward is to risk ratio and why is that so, things like that, as well as doing these market opportunities. In all opportunities, how do you engage a trade, very much along that line, as well as how to do your market analysis through what you call a knowing your goal and doing your money management, the fun stuff. Alright, so if you know someone that can benefit from it and you fulfill our criteria over here, we're looking for parents who are going to trade at the comfort of their home, civil servant looking for additional income, so on and so forth, click the registration link and I will see you on that day. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan, and I will see you soon on the next video.